Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you a little Ulta beauty haul that I did. I've been buying these products over the past couple of weeks because I knew I was going to be decluttering my makeup supply, and I posted a video about that about a week ago. So I threw away a lot of my makeup and I knew I was going to need to get some new ones. So this is what I got. Again, I've been buying these over the past couple of weeks. I have used a couple of them already, but they're pretty much brand new to my collection. So let's just get started. So the first two things that I bought are these two L'Oreal Infallible products. I bought a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation along with the powder foundation. So this is to replace the two old L'Oreal foundations that I threw away. I do really like this formula, so I bought it again in a different shade. So this one matches me a lot better than the old ones. And along with this, I also bought the powder foundation. And like I said, I've already used some of these products, this being one of them, and I really love this foundation. It doesn't accentuate too much texture on my skin, and it does seem to last a long time, so I'm very glad I got this. The next product I got is another replacement item. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I saw that this was on sale for half off in December, and I knew I was running very low on my old one and that I already scraped out every single last drop of that concealer. So I went ahead and bought a replacement concealer in the exact same shade I had before. The next items are mascaras. This came in a set, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. One is a eyelash primer and the other one is the mascara itself. Again, another replacement item. I threw away a couple of mascaras in my decluttering video. Next thing would be this Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. It is a birthday product from Ulta. And like I said, I got a lot of these products a couple of weeks ago. Got this during my birthday month of December. So the next thing is this Morphe eyeshadow brush set. It comes with 6 brushes, and the reason why I got these brushes is because I wanted to get more creative with my eyeshadow looks. Right now all I do is put like 1 or 2 colors and use my fingers or use this one essence brush that I have. So I wanted to be more experimental with my eye makeup look, and I thought a set of brushes would be helpful with that. And I don't think this was too expensive. I think it was also on sale, so that's why I bought it. And alongside with the Morphe eyeshadow brush set, I also went ahead and got the James Charles eyeshadow palette. And I do understand that there is controversy around James Charles, and a lot of people don't want to support him, but I did get this eyeshadow palette half off, and I only got the mini size. So the James Charles palette, if you didn't know what it looks like, I thought this would be a great product because it has almost pretty much every single color of the rainbow, and it would be good to experiment with eye looks. So I got it for half off, not supporting him that much. I think they're trying to get rid of the palettes at Ulta, to be honest. They've been on sale for a long time. Alright, going on to the last couple of items. This would be the Buxom Plumping Lip Gloss. I needed to spend about $20 more this year to hit my platinum membership for Ulta, and I saw this for $16. It is 2 lip glosses from Buxom. They're 2 very glittery shades. As you can see here, a pink one full size and a mini clear one. They both have a lot of glitter in them, and I love glitter. I also have a sample size of a Buxom lip gloss, and I really like that, so I decided to give these 2 a shot. And last but not least is just an eyelash set. I go through eyelashes like there's no tomorrow. I don't take care of them as well as I should, so that's why I don't buy expensive eyelashes, or I try not to. But these Ardell ones work just fine for me. I haven't tried this Light as Air line from them yet, so I'm excited to try these. But with that is everything I bought to replace my makeup collection. I did not want to buy too much products. I just bought some stuff that I needed to replenish, and maybe 1 or 2 things that I wanted to test out. But I wanted to keep my makeup collection as minimal as possible before it was overflowing and I wasn't using all the products. I had so much old things. So I only bought a couple of items. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!